and welcome back to my channel. My hair is a bit of a wild mess today, but I finally got a ring light for my birthday from my girlfriend. I seem to have misplaced my tripod for a very long time now, so she also got me a much smaller tripod, and I'm trying to work out where to place it and how to use my ring light properly. So excuse this video, it's just me kind of testing it out, and it's just a quick get ready with me, some of the products I've been using lately, including skincare, and my new makeup palette. So for my birthday, my mom got me the Naked Reloaded, and I've had, I think, almost all of the Naked palettes in the past. I've lost the third one, unfortunately, but my favorite, I think, always has to be the Naked Smoky Eye. But this one is just a beautiful palette as well. It's a lot of warmer tones, so I've been kind of playing around with that. It has the Barely Baked, which, if you can see, it's a lot like the Half Baked in all the other palettes. Yeah, it's a great palette, and just a quick get ready with me. I hope you enjoy, and I'll see you in my next video.